clouds are in. See? And right back there are the two most annoying people in the world, but that's okay. They haven't seen me yet. But anyways, there's little Anna Banana. We're waiting for the fire. She's getting fussy, but it's okay. Huh, baby? She sees herself, so now she's content. And there's Bebe. See? And we're waiting for the fireworks. See, there's the castle right over there behind the sign. So we're gonna watch the fireworks, and we shall see you guys later. I told you I'll make more videos. Our first real family time at Disneyland, just the three of us. Huh, mamas? Huh? See? And Bebe tired. Alright, you guys. Well, we'll see you later. We'll make another video afterwards, see how fireworks went with Annabelle. Oh, before I go, she went on her first Haunted Mansion ride, and she loved it. She was so content the whole time. It was so awesome. Amazing. Huh, you did good on Haunted Mansion, huh? She's definitely our child. So we'll make another video later. Okay, we'll see you guys. Peace.